Hello everyone. If you struggle to align your cells, then this video is perfect for you because we're going to discuss some important cell alignment in this tutorial. Let's dive in. So in this example, I have few cells. Some of these cells have alphabet, some of them have numeric, some of them has like numeric, but it's going beyond the size of the cell. So what I will do, I will select all those cells and then press right click and then you can see format cells option. If I click this one, a window will pop up. The first one is horizontal. If I want to horizontally align my cells, so these are the option. I can align to the left side, center towards the right hand side. So I would like to keep it to the center. I will leave this option as it is. Vertical if I want to keep it at the top, at the center or at the bottom. So I would also like to keep it my information, my data in the center of the cell. So I will click this option. Indented if we want to keep the space within the cell. So then we use this option. We don't require that. And if I just press OK to see, so now you can see the cell has been aligned centrally, vertical, and also the horizontal as well. If I select all those cells and go to the format cells again to show you the other options. Other option is text control, wrap text, shrink to fit. For example, one of the cell, it was going beyond the size of the cell. So I will, if I click this one, shrink to fit, it will reduce the numeric size to fit within the cells. Other option is merge cells and text direction. You can change the text direction left to right or right to left. So if I just press OK to see how it works, if I press OK, now you can see the alphabet which was going beyond the size of the cell, it after taking this option, the Excel contained them within the cell, and same the case with the numeric as well. So let's select those cells and go there again, format cells. And on the right hand side, there's option is the text direction. So at the moment it's at the 0 degree, but you can increase it to you can see where this bar is going. The text direction will change accordingly. So the text within the cell will start showing like this in this direction. If I press OK, now you can see the text direction has been changed and now it's showing the text the way we selected within that option. So this is how you can do few of the cell alignments by using the cell format cells option. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.